Okay, lovely people, we're gonna make the most amazing Moroccan skewers. This is perfect for Halloween or bonfire night. It's gonna be amazing. So let's get started. So in a pan, I have a bowl of rinsed rice, 2 bowls of water, and a piece of lemon. The lemon makes the rice very white and accelerates its cooking. We add some salt and a spoon of oil and we let it cook. In another saucepan, in a small amount of water, 4 beets are put down and the vegetables are boiled at the same time. Potato, carrot, and pea at the top of the couscous pot. In this bowl, we have the meat cut into pieces of this size. The parsley and the small onion cut. We press a quarter of a lemon on the mixture. And now we're going to season with oil, salt, parsley, a half spoon of sweet pepper, half spoon of cumin, half spoon of black pepper, and 2 spoons of curcumin. The whole thing is mixed and covered with a food wrap and placed in the refrigerator while cooking the vegetables. Here's our cooked vegetables. Now I'm gonna go in with the rice, corn, tuna, some salt, black pepper, and vinegar. We add the mayonnaise and we mix everything. Serve the salad as follows. The betrays are chopped on the salad. We mix mayonnaise and ketchup and pour the mixture on the salad. So here are our meat skewers. Here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and until next time, take care.